I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Park level, handbrake set, ignition off. Once done, open the trunk and peel back the inner trim or remove the small access cover behind the bumper. This gives direct access to the lamp housing. Use a flat tool to release clips and an 8 mm socket to undo any retaining bolts. Make sure to keep screws organized and note the bulb type printed on the existing unit so you have the correct replacement ready. You should disconnect the battery negative terminal before touching the socket to prevent short circuits. Once the wiring is isolated, unplug the connector from the bulb and twist the bulb holder counterclockwise. Pull it straight out of the housing. If replacing an LED module, unclip any mounting tabs first. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion. Clean contacts with electrical cleaner if needed. Make sure the housing seal is intact so moisture won't enter once the new lamp is fitted. You install the replacement by aligning tabs and inserting the bulb or LED module, then twist it to lock or secure the mounting screws. Reconnect the harness and once secure, reattach the trim or access cover, tightening bolts and clips evenly. Reconnect the battery negative terminal and test the lamp. Activate reverse, brake, or fog function as appropriate to confirm operation. If the light fails, check fuse, connector pins, and ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.